Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. So in today's video, I want to give you a pair that you can put in your watch list and just observe it, and let's see how it goes. So this is USD So USD has been selling. You can see all this drop. The market the market dropped very fast since last week. So let me go to daily time frame because that's what I use. So you change there on your daily time frame. We want to see what is happening. We can see that this market is somehow on a ranging market, and here we had we had a double top, broke neckline, and now it has come all the way back to this zone. So for me, what I think is, what if this is a very good double bottom being formed? So guys, what you should do, you should mark this double bottom so that you can be in preparation if it gives you an entry. So for me, USD you can trade it if it can be a double bottom. So that's what I'm seeing, that the market can give us a double bottom. So if that's a double bottom, you have to mark your neckline. You have to mark your neckline. Let's mark our neckline. So this is my neckline. And again, guys, remember, I always tell you that double bottom, first thing first, you have to mark your half. That's where we are targeting. So this market can buy up to that half and then now decide what it wants to do. So this is our half. So this is the half. So we have everything in place. We have our half, we have our possible double bottom. And now how do we get in? How do we get in? So the first thing that you need to understand, that any double bottom possible or double top on daily time frame, I use WBB. And the WBB, I always wait for a green candle if I want to buy or a red candle if I want to sell. So in this case, let me place the box on that green candle. You can see we had two green candles that are not able to break the box. So the first green candle was inverted hammer. The second green candle, I think that's either a pin bar or a spinning top. I don't know where you can place the second candle. I think it's a pin bar. Or if you think it's not a pin bar, you can comment down below and tell me what do you think. These candles are candles that reverse the market. So what are we waiting for in this market? We want to have WBB for us to get in. So that's how you analyze a simple chart, a simple pattern. Once WBB happens, we will target our first TP to this place. So once we want our market to break that box so that we can target our TP there. So this setup I gave out on my Telegram, but I really wanted to tell people how I came about it, what really made me to say that this market, we are waiting for a buy and people to put it in your watch list. So we will not force this entry, and we'll just wait, we'll just have patience. Let me see how many pips to our green line. 287. There are so many pips, so be patient until we get a very good setup. Also, if this is a channel inside, you can see the whole of this is a channel, so we can't ignore that. We can't ignore that this market has been in a channel. So what if the market break on the downside? This is now having in mind that the market can do two things. So the market, yes, it can give us a double bottom, but what if the market now breaks? I don't want you guys to not know what to do. This pattern is called a channel pattern. So if it breaks on the downside, if the market breaks on the downside, what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to measure this distance, supposed to measure that distance, and then the market will go all the way. So it will be a very long-term sell. So don't be in a fix when the market breaks. So if the market breaks, of course, you still have a chance to sell in the market. And your first take profit will be half of that box. That's our first take profit. So regardless, whichever the direction the market will take, for you, you are covered. You know, if the market breaks the channel, I'm going to sell. If the markets do WBB, I'm going to buy. So at the end of the day, you won't be left hanging and you cannot force this trade. So our first take profit will be here, and then the second take profit here will be here. So guys, I hope you as the CHF, you have seen how I've analyzed. The market is very easy to analyze once you get to understand what you are dealing with and what you're working with. This was just a simple setup. Every day I'll be giving you a pair to look at USD CHF. One or the other, it will break either down or up. So for us, we are comfortable if whatever the market will do. If it decide to break downside, we are okay. If it decide to break upward, we are still okay because you already know how to trade it. So if it breaks on the downside, what you do, you'll go on lower time frame, you wait for that retracement to end, and then you get in a sell. But I'll keep posting and updating you. Thank you so much, and wait for more videos. I'll be posting so many videos. Thank you and love you.